Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today guys I will show you how to buy Bitcoin on Moomoo platform. So guys, to buy Bitcoin, what you have to do, just follow me in this video and I will helpful this video for you. So guys, let's get started. First guys, open your click on deposit account, click deposit, and you should have amount on your wallet. And after that guys, what you have to do, go to this option, start trading, go to crypto, and from crypto go to Bitcoin, and from Bitcoin what you have to do guys, click this option buy, and from market click this option buy, and make sure you have this Bitcoin. Click buy Bitcoin and choose the order type and choose the price guys from here. And after that guys, make sure you have this symbol and BTC, and click this option trade. From trade guys, you can buy easily without any problems. So guys, this is how you can do. Just go to choose the Bitcoin and choose the buy option and select your amount you want to buy, and for example 10 USD, because this BTC and USD guys, choose the amount be for BTC. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon.